So what's going on, YouTube? Hopefully you guys can hear me. I know I've not been posting as much. I'm coming back to it. So I'm actually on my trip to Florida with some family members. So I will be working on some content out there so I can fully focus. I had to recharge, get myself back together. So I will be dropping some videos. I got some things that I gotta show you guys on the car. I also got some news to talk about as far as the car business side. So I'm gonna bring that to the channel as well. I'm gonna talk about things as far as why you shouldn't buy a car right now. Why is everything so expensive? Just my perspective on it, just from my insights, and to hold off on whatever big purchase of a car that you're planning on doing. I would say hold off on it. If you have something that you want to build right now, I would just build on that. The car market is going to be pretty trash for a while, but like I said, you know, I'm on my way to a flight, so I want to just go ahead and touch back with you guys. I haven't did a video in a while now. It's probably been about 2 weeks. So I will be vlogging while I'm on this trip and probably drop at least 2 videos. Alright, so I check back to you guys when I land, and I ain't gonna tell you where I'm gonna land, but I'm gonna tell you where I'm gonna be at. And I got a surprise too. It's a nice crib I'm staying at. They're being extra. Also I got, they're done? Okay, cool. So I also got a nice little surprise too when I land. I'll show you guys that, and yeah, let's get to it. Sorry to the YouTube family, man. I love everybody who's supporting so far, but it's time to drop bangers. It's time to drop videos again. But thank you for being patient. I'm coming back with more. I'm not stopping. What is going on, YouTube? Thank you for tuning in to Life a Day. And as you can see, man, we're chilling at the mansion. This is the vacation home we're at today. So I'm going to take a little tour, show you a little bit before we get out of here. Damn, look how big this is, man. Woo. All right, here we go. Follow me into the house. So as we walk in, first room onto your left. You see the gym. Little something. Right? Then we go in here. You have your game room. Then you come out, have your laundry room, have your bathroom, come out to your kitchen. The alarm.
Do you have any dirty pool towels in your room?
Yes.
All right. Can I
Want me to get them?
Yeah.
Tell them what you're doing right now.
Nah, we're gonna bump out them headlights, man.
He said they look trashed. He said they was trash beforehand.
Check it out, look at that. Stop, man. What's up with that faded stuff? Can't have a nice
He
car.
said we can't do that no more.
Can't have a nice car and make it have bad headlights, man.
Badging. Red diffuser's put on now. Gloss black. So guess what? No more yellow. I had my guy take a look at it and buff it out. That's all it took. Front lip is on. Did that myself. Yours truly. Carbon fiber on there. Right. Then you got the head, the blinker lights to match. Right, you know, gotta follow in the life of day, you know what I'm saying? Gotta follow. And then look at the back, and I debadged it. No Q50, no all-wheel drive.
Close my eyes, I done that shit. Open my eyes, I did this shit. Close my eyes, I done that shit. Open my eyes, I did this shit. Yeah. Close my eyes, I done that shit. Open my eyes, I did that shit. Do it, die, we live that shit. Watch your eyes slide, I slid that shit. Watch my neck, I slid that weed. Pull up that drink, bitch, look at that piece. Jumpin' that pine, bitch, with them fish. Make a good time, open up this dish. Close my eyes, I'm living my dream. Open my eyes, and I'm still with the team. I don't give a fuck what a hater might say. Living these lives, I'ma pop a little E. Close my eyes, and I'm living my dream. Open my eyes, and I'm still with the team. I don't give a fuck what a hater might say. Living these lines, and I pop a little E.
Switching lanes with your bitch while I'm switching lanes off for 10. I done put some time in the gym. I be smoking gas like a cig, driving Ocean Drive in the Benz, trying to slide and vibe with your friends. When it's time to ride, as you win.
Close my eyes and felt this shit. Open my eyes, I hit that bitch. I be on fuck it, I reach that shit. I don't break even, I flip that shit. I been on bitch, hit bitch on bit. Roll my story, I flip that script. Why I even trip, I hit that bitch. I was in